Hello friends, good evening. So today we will discuss about the concept of NMR, like which I have told you in my introductory video. Like firstly, we should know the peaks of solvent which generally comes in NMR. So आज हम एक बहुत ही important concept समझेंगे जो हर NMR यूज़र को confuse करता है. ड्यूटिएटेड सॉल्वेंट यूज़ करने के बाद भी सॉल्वेंट पीक्स क्यों आती है? So let's break it down step by step. Firstly, what are deuterated solvent? So in NMR, we use solvents like CDCl3, DMSO-D6, acetone D6, MEOD, ACN D3. इन सब सॉल्वेंट्स में हाइड्रोजन विच वी जनरली कॉल्ड एज प्रोटॉन की जगह पे ड्यूटेरियम होता है, द हैवी आइसोटोप ऑफ प्रोटॉन. रीजन, बिकॉज इन प्रोटॉन NMR the NMR which the signal which generally detects is of because of the proton और deuterium invisible होता है in proton NMR. Second, why do we still see solvents peak then? So even though solvents are deuterated, they are never 100% pure. There are 0.001% solvent still remain in protonated form. So they always contain a small amount of residual protonated solvent, that is proton containing molecules. For example, CDCl3 will remain in small amount as CHCl3, which is called as chloroform. DMSO-D6 will remain as DMSO in protonate form. Similarly applies to acetone D6 and acetonitride. और ये छोटी सी impurity, the small impurity is enough to get detected in NMR. ये छोटी सी impurity भी NMR में clearly visible होती है. So you can think the sensitivity of NMR. Third is the which we generally considered common residual solvent, which we generally used is CDCl3, which appears at 7.26, DMSO D6, which appears at 2.50 ppm, acetone D6 at 2.05 ppm, then MEOD, deuterated methanol, which we call is 3.31 or 3.32, 3.34, then ACN D3 at 1.94 to 2. Apart from this, other solvents are also there, which we generally use because of the solubility issues like pyridine, toluene and hexane. So इनको पहचानना बहुत important है, वरना आप गलत असाइनमेंट कर सकते हो. It is very important to know the solvent peak in your NMR. The fourth is, why is this important? So before assigning any peaks to your compound, always identify, ignore solvent peaks. Otherwise, you may misinterpret your data. And this is the biggest mistake which generally a beginner will do. ये बिगनर्स की सबसे कॉमन मिस्टेक होती है. So deuterated solvent reduce proton signal, but they don't remove them completely because of residual proton impurities. So this is for today. In next video में हम बात करेंगे कॉमन impurity peaks की जो NMR में frequently आते हैं. So what is the final takeaway? हमें कौन सी पीक कंसिडर करनी है, उससे पहले ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि कौन सी पीक्स कंसिडर नहीं करनी है. द सिमिलर थिंग विच जनरली यूज टू लिसन फ्रॉम आवर एल्डर्स. बिल्कुल सिंपल लॉजिक, क्या करना है समझने से पहले क्या नहीं करना है समझना और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. वट वी शुड डू, बिफोर दैट वी शुड नो वट वी शुड नॉट डू. So in the next video I will explain. So thank you all and stay tuned.